In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Substack account. If this helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to log out of my Substack account and then show you how you can log in. So from homepage here, once you open your Substack account, go ahead and choose your login method. In my case, I'm using continue with email. So I'll go ahead and tap on it, enter my email address, and then to log in, go ahead and just tap on continue. If you already have a password, you can go ahead and tap on login with password. But for this, I don't use password. So just go ahead and tap on continue and you'll have a code sent to your email that you provided. And as you can see, it has come. So I'll go ahead and enter the PIN or the code that I've just received. So if I swipe my phone, you can see here is the code. I'll go ahead and input it. Now, once you have entered the code, you will be taken to the next step. Just go ahead and tap on continue, and then for the phone number, I haven't entered mine, I'll just skip, and then no thanks because I had selected that earlier. Here now on my Substack account. So that's how you can log into your Substack account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.